My dear friends, today I want to talk to you about happiness. Many people think happiness comes from money, or big houses, or expensive things, but that is not true. Real happiness lives in small moments. I once saw someone give a simple gift. It was not costly, but it was given with love. The smile on the receiver's face, it was priceless. That was happiness. One day, a child fed a stray animal on the road. Nobody was watching, no reward was given, but that child's heart was full. That was happiness too. Think of someone who learns something new, slowly, quietly, with effort, and when they finally get it, that feeling inside, that is pure happiness. My friends, always remember this. A full heart is better than a full pocket. Contentment is the greatest gift you can give yourself. Happiness is not found outside. It is built with kindness, with care, with love. I'm concluding my discussion with this quote. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama. Thank you.